Simple Blackboard is an Android application designed to provide users with a digital canvas that mimics the functionality of a traditional blackboard. This app is particularly useful for students, teachers, or anyone who needs a straightforward tool for taking notes, drawing, or brainstorming ideas. Key features typically include a clean and intuitive interface where users can write or draw using various tools such as chalk, markers, and erasers. The app often allows for different colors and thicknesses, giving users the flexibility to create visually engaging notes or illustrations. Additionally, Simple Blackboard may offer options for saving and sharing creations, enabling users to export their work as images or documents easily. Some versions might also include features like multiple pages or backgrounds to enhance the user experience. Overall, Simple Blackboard serves as a practical and versatile tool for anyone looking for a simple yet effective way to jot down ideas, teach concepts, or express creativity in a digital format.